Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. The big three markets all set record highs today. The Dow jumped 143 points to close at 24,651. S&P was up 23 points, closing at 2675, and the Nasdaq was up 80 points, closing at 6936. And the reason for today's big jump? Well, it was the tax bill. As we said in our last report, the language of the bill has been finalized, and it included the expansion of the child tax credit that Florida Senator Marco Rubio had been demanding. This afternoon, he announced he would support the bill, and so did Senator Bob Corker from Tennessee. Now, that was a big surprise, considering he had actually voted no on the Senate's version. Now, he says that he changed his mind because he does feel that this is a once-in-a-generation opportunity to make American businesses more productive. The actual bill will be released in just a little bit, and people will be able to start tearing it apart over the weekend. Expect to hear a lot about that. By the way, this could actually be a record-setting year for the S&P. Actually, let's pull that back up here. Now, if it ends December on a high note, that will actually make 12 months of increases in a single calendar year. First time ever. It almost happened back in 1958, 95, and 2006. Question is, will it keep climbing in 2018? Only way that we really might know is when you take a look at the volatility index, which actually shows the market's expectations of what might happen over the next 30 days. It dropped another point to 9.42, suggesting that investors are not expecting any big moves in the near future. And we are keeping our eye on Disney. Now, this one has already had a great week. It jumped 6% over this past week, thanks to the announcement that it was buying some of the assets of 21st Century Fox. Actually, this was just a one day. Let's pull this out so you can see the big jump and the big week that it has had. Now, what's really going to be interesting is what's going to happen, because the highly anticipated Star Wars sequel, The Last Jedi, has already opened in theaters. The film pulled in a whopping $45 million from its Thursday previews, and analysts believe it could bring in more than $200 million over the weekend, something that has only happened 3 times before. And some breaking news here, and it's actually about, what else, Bitcoin. TD Ameritrade has just announced that it will start selling Bitcoin futures on Monday. That's also, the CME is also going to start selling futures, and that's going to be huge. When we take it down and you take a look at the TD Ameritrade, look at what happened after hours. After that announcement, jumped more than 2%. And it right now is trading right now at 51.98 after hours. Hey, that is it for now. Please remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Subscribe to our YouTube page. I am Mike O'Neill, and we will see you on Monday morning.